Hello and welcome to a tutorial of the Android app Résumé. Résumé basically creates a resume or CV for you and stores it as a PDF on your SD card. Let's go ahead and start up the app. What you'll see here first is a drop-down list, which is the header, which will be placed first in the PDF document. Now some people like to spell resume in a couple of different ways, so I've added all these possibilities here. Or you can also choose curriculum vitae or just CV. I'll go ahead and choose the first one, resume. Next thing, we have a build resume button, which we'll be using later. Then we have personal details. This is the first thing you should do. Enter the personal details page and fill in your name, address, phone and email if you like. Hit the save button and now you're pretty much done to start adding categories. I've cheated a little bit and added 2 categories here already: work experience and education. Let's go ahead and check out the work experience, what it looks like. That's what the category looks like. You can add items to each category, and I've already added 2 items, each item being a job. And by checking out the item, what it looks like, it's just a description, and you can add a first year or a start year, the first year you started working there, and the last year. You can also write letters in any letters in the. You don't have to write a year, but these are not mandatory. And let's go back. Okay, we've seen those. Let's go ahead and add a new category. This is what that page looks like, and you can see on the top we have a drop-down list which says examples, which basically is a couple of examples of what you could add to your resume or CV: work experience, education, skills, all kinds of stuff. I'll go ahead and add the category languages, and it's automatically added to this text box right here. But you can of course write anything here you like. Let's go ahead and save languages. Okay, there it appears at the bottom. Let's enter this category and add a couple of items. I'll just add the languages I speak: Swedish, Finnish and English. And I'm just gonna ignore the first and last year because I don't need them in this category. Okay, that's done. Let's go back. Now these categories will be listed in the PDF document in the same order they are right here. If you want to rearrange them, you can just long press, for instance, languages until it turns black, then you just move it. But I think languages is fine at the bottom right there. Let's just go ahead and build the resume. Resume.pdf has been stored on your SD card. It first tries to store it on your external SD card. If that doesn't exist, it goes on your internal SD card. Let's go ahead and open up a PDF viewer. See if we can find the resume.pdf file. Looks like I'm in the wrong place. No, I'm not. There it is, resume.pdf. And there we have it. A very simple resume indeed. But it's all up to you to create whatever you want it to look like in whatever industry you work. So I hope this helps you, and good luck. Thanks.